Welcome to another Cooking with Rebekah. We're going to be making some coffee homemade chocolate chip cookies. These are really good and healthy to make. It took me a few days to make this recipe, but I'm really excited to show you all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. Let's continue with this video. So first off, in a bowl, we're going to place some flour. I first added some chickpeas flour, which is 2 cups. I added 2 cups of almond flour. Key note, I added 2 different flours because chickpeas alone makes cookies very thick and doughy, while almond flour is very light. So when you're mixing both of them, you have an even ratio to make the perfect cookie. Then I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then I whisked all together. Last, I added a pinch of salt. And now we're gonna go into the next step and start mixing the butter and the sugar. Now you're going to take 2 room temperature sticks of butter. I use Country Crock plant butter. I cut them into pieces so it can be easier for the butter to go into the mixing bowl. Then you're going to turn on your mixer for medium speed and start by pouring your 1 cup of sugar gradually into the mixer bowl. The butter and sugar is going to be mixing for a while. You're going to want to keep mixing for at least 5 to 7 minutes. You want to stop the machine a few times so you can scrape the butter mixture back into the middle of the bowl for continuing mixing. will know once the mixture is done mixing, when the mixture looks like a little bit white and looks slightly stiff. When I was making this recipe, I found out that I ran out of vanilla extract, so instead I used instant coffee, which was mixed with 1/4 cup of milk, evaporated milk. You can use any milk, but I decided to use evaporated milk. That's what I had. So I poured that into the bowl, into the batter bowl, which was the butter and sugar. I added 1 egg. I cracked it into the batter and let that mix, and then make sure the egg was incorporated into the mixture. Then I cracked my second egg and repeated the same step. And last, we're going to add in our flour that we did early in the beginning, and we're going to add that into the wet batter, with also including with our chocolate chips. I took the bowl out of the machine and started folding the dry mixture into the wet mixture. Since the flour was so delicate, I decided to do it by hand. So I folded all the flour into the wet mixture, which was wet mixture, into the bowl, and then I added 1 cup of chocolate chips. You can put as much as you want or as little, but just to your own discretion. You can just put as much chocolate chips as you feel like it. Place some parchment paper. I use ice cream scooper to scoop out the dough onto the pan. It takes about 15 minutes to cook, or you can watch it until it looks golden brown. Best eating when it's warm, and also with a side of glass of milk. But for me, I like it with a side of some tea. So there you have it. chocolate chip cookie, coffee chocolate chip cookie, ready to eat, and it's so yummy, and it was really good. I actually made these recipe when I went onto the trip to Jacksonville and St. Augustine. You can actually check out that video. It'll be popping up right now on the corner of the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification button. If you do decide to make this recipe, tag me into your photo on Instagram at Rebekah the Photographer. I would love to see you viewers making these recipes. Thanks for watching.